This is the Tenavolt lithium rechargeable AA battery. It is at least 2700 milliwatt hour. It is incredible. I've never used such a battery that lasted so much more than any alkaline, metal hydride, or NiCad batteries before. Just for comparison, my AA battery from Amazon Basic lasted 3 days for this project, for my nightlight project. Meanwhile, this 10-volt battery lasted 3+ weeks, at least 3 weeks. It is the same size as any other AA battery. There's no difference. It feels and weight about the same as well. Before, I was replacing batteries almost every week, and that's a pain and not good for the environment as well. So these batteries are the solution for me. The package I bought included the battery charger. All you have to do is plug it in. In the front or on the top, there's the micro USB, and all you have to do is plug it in using any smartphone power charger. Charging it up is at least 1 hour. In my case, it was about an hour and a half. When you charge it up, the base of the battery will be lit blue, so that way you know that it's being charged. There's no light indicator for when the battery is depleted, so it would be nice, but it is what it is. If you have any comments, let me know in the sections below.